Hello viewers. This video is to introduce you to the cutting-edge Polkadot Governance version 2.0 by the computer scientist Gavin James Wood, who is the creator of Polkadot and Kusama. The technocratic tricameral structure of the first version was novel at the time of inception. However, it has some drawbacks as it uses restricted activities and trust, which was safe but slow, lumpish and overly centralized. This new version of governance is keen to tackle those issues. All referenda are based on proposal by token holders, and they have the choice to choose the origin their proposal should go through. These origin gives the proposal a certain description. The most privileged and powerful but yet stringent is the root origin, while tip origin has a lower threshold and period for consideration, but less powerful because it can only spend 10 token at most from the treasury. So, before any referendum is passed, there are three criteria that has to be met, which are, lead-in period, room for decision, and decision deposit which has to be paid. When the referendum is in the state of deciding, it is eligible for approval. This eligibility period lasts for 28 days. If by any chance it is not passed within this period, it is rejected and decision deposit is refunded. In another instance, if the voters see a negativity in a referendum, a voting process for the cancellation of the referendum can be instituted, although with a faster time frame and a lower threshold for passing. There is also an option to delegate your voting power to another. You will have to lock up your token for various enactment periods, which in turn increases your voting power depending on the time frame you're willing to lock up the token for. In Polkadot Governance 2.0, there is also an option to switch your delegate if you so wish. This is the concept called multi-role delegation. Fellowship is a more decentralized alternative for Technical Committee in Governance 1. It was introduced to help balance the radar between inclusivity and security. The Fellowship is able to create a special origin called a whitelisted origin so that proposals that are for safety and time critical can be passed easily. Here are the 5 steps in the voting process. 1. To cast your vote, token holders should visit polkassembly.io. 2. Click on Launch App and choose the chain you wish to cast your vote on, either Polkadot or Kusama. 3. Click on Sign Up and log in with your wallet or email address. Thereafter, accept pending request. Click on Referendum and choose the referenda you are willing to cast your vote on. Please note that it is very necessary to go through the proposal to know what it is all about before casting your vote, as the proposal may have an impact on your interest directly or indirectly. 4. Click on Vote Now and make sure you have available fund. Also note that even if you have your token being staked already, it can still be available for voting in a referendum. When you vote, you can choose to multiply your voting power by locking your tokens for the various enactment periods. Otherwise, it is only locked up for the duration of the vote, but the voting power in this case is markedly reduced, as it will be multiplied by 0.1. 5. Cast your vote afterwards with either an aye or a nay and click on Approve. And that's it. However, to regain your liquidity token locked via the voting process, visit this site, then click on the 3 dots next to your account, and select Clear Expired Democracy Locks. Governance 2.0 is set to launch on Kusama after it has been passed. Thereafter, Governance 2.5 is also underway with features known as Collect Call, where users can offer their funds up for delegation without paying any transaction fees. Instead, the delegate would be able to optionally pay the transaction fees to get the funds delegated. Free undelegation is a feature that enables users to use their wallets to offer the free transaction. This will encourage more involvement in the decentralized governance. You can find all the necessary links about Polkadot in the video description. Thank you for watching.